Hey traders, and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to be covering trading resources and some tools that we like to use. So let's go ahead and jump in the charts so we can talk more about MyFX Book as well as Forex Factory. The first one we're going to talk about is myfxbook.com. So you can see I'm on Google. I went to MyFX Book, and once I click in here, there's so much to unravel. So we're going to make it easy and show you things that matter. Now, the first thing I'm going to come up to is the market. This is one of the most important tabs because it has the correlation. Market correlation is super important because if you're really good on one trading platform, for example, let's say you're really good at AUD USD, this will actually show you which other pairs are correlating. And it actually shows you other pairs that are non-correlating. So for example, AUD USD, it has a very strong negative correlation to USD CAD. So as one is going up, take a look for the other one going down. Now each one has a time frame. So for example, if you go to the 4-hour, these numbers here just might change. On top of that, we have the liquidity. Liquidity is how much liquidity is in the market. Now, if you want to know more about liquidity, you can just read this here. And then we also have indicators and patterns. I like to use the patterns because it kind of gives you a snapshot of what's happening in the market in real time. So it says patterns are being scanned in real time and presented in the table below. The table refreshes automatically every 30 seconds. So as I'm going down, I can see my pairs here. And if you want to add more pairs, you are more than welcome to add pairs by clicking on this filter tab and checking or unchecking the ones you want. After you do that, you can start scrolling down and notice I'm on the 5-minute time frame and it's telling me USD CAD has a bullish engulfing pattern on the 5-minute. So this is a really good tool and resource to find patterns that are happening on time frames without you having to look and monitor in real time. So this is MyFX Book, and very important to use all the resources you have. The next one is Forex Factory. Now this is really important because it tells you when the news reports are coming out, what time they're coming out, and actually the impact level. So for example, if we are hovering over this yellow folder, you can see it's a low impact expected, where the orange folder is more of a medium impact and the red folder is a high impact expected move. So be wary and be cautious while you're in a trade, and if your trade's not done playing out, notice if there's any news coming out that might affect that pair. And make sure you're trying not to be in trades during news times due to the volatility. All right, traders, we went over MyFX Book as well as Forex Factory to give you the resources that we use in order to be profitable and consistent. See you in the next lesson.